Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the clothing colors in Photoshop 2021. Let's begin. Here I have one model with the blue clothing on. I am going to change this cloth into the different color. So first you need to unlock your layer. Now go to this icon and then select the hue and saturation. Once your hue and saturation property field is open, you can see the small hand icon. Click on this icon and select the color. Once you select the color, this thing is automatically changed and pick your right color. For example, if I go to the shoes in the sandal, pick the red, you can see that this is moved to the red. So we're going to change the clothing color, so just select the blue and now put the hue and saturation to the maximum first and again select your color and bring your saturation back to 0. And here you can see that small blue is appeared. To remove this small blue, slightly increase this one. Okay, and then from the right side also slightly come down. Okay, you can see that we have before it was blue color, now it is red color. Now the only things you need to do is move your hue. When you scroll your hue, you can see the clothing color is changing. Now it's a purple color. You can see it is keep changing the clothing color. This is blue, light blue, dark green, green. Okay, this is how you change the clothing color. This is light gray. When you move the saturation to -100 and the lightness to +100, you will get the light gray color. This is how you change the clothing color in Photoshop. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Bye.